Hello all, I'm Dr. Adil Maulanjikal, lead specialist at Elite Ayurveda. Today I'll be discussing about Alzheimer's disease. Everyone has occasionally memory lapses. It's normal to lose track of where you put your keys or forget the name of an acquaintance. But the memory loss associated with Alzheimer's disease persists and worsens, affecting the ability to function at work or at home. Alzheimer's disease is a progressive disorder that causes brain cells to waste away or degenerate and die. Alzheimer's disease is the most common cause of dementia, a continued decline in thinking, behavioral, and social skills that disrupt a person's ability to function independently. The early signs of the disease may be forgetting recent events or conversations. As the disease progresses, a person with Alzheimer's disease will develop severe memory impairment and lose the ability to carry out everyday tasks. Ayurvedic approach to Alzheimer's disease can help to improve symptoms or slow the rate of decline. These treatments can sometimes help people with Alzheimer's disease maximize function and maintain independence for a longer time. There is no treatment that cures Alzheimer's disease or alters the disease process in the brain. In advanced stages of the disease, complications from severe loss of brain function such as dehydration, malnutrition, or infections results in death. But with Ayurvedic treatments, there is so much hope which can help to delay and control this degenerative progress. People with Alzheimer's may repeat statements and questions over and over, or forget conversations, appointments, or events and not remember them later. Routinely misplace possessions, even putting them in illogical locations, get lost in familiar places, eventually forget the names of family members and everyday objects. They also have trouble finding the right words to identify objects, express thoughts, or take part in conversations. Thinking and reasoning problems is a very big impact in Alzheimer's disease patients. Alzheimer's disease causes difficulty concentrating and thinking, especially about abstract concepts such as numbers. When you can plan to visit my clinic, that is with a number of conditions, including other treatable conditions, can result in memory loss or other dementia symptoms. If you're concerned about your memory or other thinking skills, talk to my doctors for a thorough assessment and diagnosis. If you feel that you're concerned about thinking skills you observe in a family member or a friend, talk about your concerns and ask about going together. Thank you so much for watching my videos. I'll be coming up with more videos on neurological conditions and related. Thank you so much.